Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Steve from Internet City Computers in Detroit. This is my channel, Fix It Right. Today I'm not going to do anything spectacular, but I do want to show you something, little tip. If you're changing the motherboard, we got this ROG gaming laptop we're changing the motherboard in. And I just want to point out a couple of things so that if you're changing your motherboard, you can remember these things. Anyways, let's get at it. Okay, so here is the ROG motherboard. I was just getting ready to put the board back in. I did put the screws in, and believe it or not, there's only 4 screws that hold this motherboard in. There's one here, 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 and 5 here and here. Anyways, if you look where the screw is, there is a little white triangle. If you can see that, that denotes a screw goes there. And then there's one here, triangle. If you're not looking close, you may miss it. Now these other holes don't have triangles next to them, but these screws will fit in there. But you don't want to put them in there because sometimes the back or the bottom of the case has screw holes, and once those screws go through the bottom of the case, those are the holes that those screws go in. Now over here, just for reference, we have our Wi-Fi antenna cables. These need to be pushed on exactly square. You can't get them sideways or cockeyed, because if you bend them, they will never go back on. When you pull them off, you should use even gentle force as well, because you can pull these little nibs off the motherboard where they snap onto. But other things like the battery cable, it's a no-brainer. Just make sure there's no cable stuck under your motherboard when you install it. And that's pretty much it. As always, make sure you disconnect that battery before you start taking stuff apart. Otherwise, you may be sorry in the end. Make sure that's the first thing you do, disassembling it, and the last thing you do when you're reassembling it. Okay, so that was it, and I hope you got something out of that. If you like that video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, that really helps us out, and come back for more. Fix It Right. Adios.